So my name is Mark Grum. I'm currently going to be a first-year graduate student in the Healthcare Engineering and Patient Safety concentration. So the current project I'm working on is called the Asthma Project, and there's kind of two main parts about this project. And the first one is the prediction part. So that's, when a patient comes in to the emergency department for asthma, they, get triaged. And the nurses and doctors decide, well, how bad is this patient? Do we need to keep them here for a little bit longer? Do we need to send them to inpatient or an intensive care unit? Or, are they good to send them home? So, there's a lot of factors that base on their decision making, saying, well, are they getting better since when they first got here? How bad was their triage to start with? Did they arrive in an ambulance, or did they arrive, in a car or in a wheelchair? So it's kind of taking all these factors and seeing if we can find a way to predict where they're going to go, and also when they're going to go to a specific place. And the second part about the asthma project is called the flow, and that's kind of how the patients flow from one department to another, and also how the doctors handle those transitions from one place to another, where it's paperwork and calling the right people and getting medicine. But just kind of seeing if that process is inefficient and how we can fix those inefficiencies. To me, what makes it really exciting is just interfacing with a lot of different people. Talking to doctors and nurses, but also working with PhD students, undergraduates. There's just a lot of people that want to make this better, and I think it's really cool when all these people have the same passion, working towards the same goal, and it's really exciting to see things get done. We work to try and change the system to make it better for everyone.